Watch this delicious pad thai being cooked on a street stall in Bangkok. The dish was first introduced in the 1930s as a way to build a sense of national identity. Nearly a century later, it is a must-try meal for millions of tourists visiting the country. The dish is made by stir-frying rice noodles with a tangy, savoury sauce, then adding prawns, tofu, eggs, bean sprouts, crushed peanuts, and local seasonings. In 2023, the Oxford Dictionary officially recognized pad thai as an international word, placing it alongside global favorites like pizza, tacos, and lasagna. Oxford defines it as a dish from Thailand made with rice noodles, spices, egg, vegetables, and sometimes meat or seafood. Delicious!